Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best jigsaw tools that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Makita 4329-2450 XW Orbital Action Jigsaw. The Makita 4329 halves Orbital Action Jigsaw is probably one of the best budget jigsaws. It's powerful, well put together and has an effective oscillating action. Japanese tool masters Makita have won the respect of professional tradespeople and savvy DIYers around the world. Getting hold of a Makita brand jigsaw for a low price is a bit of a steal if you ask me. The quality of this little jigsaw is excellent and blows a lot of cheap imitations out of the water. Weighing in at less than 2 kilograms, you might think this is an underpowered tool. The 430W motor puts out an impressive 500 to 100 strokes per minute, SPM. That sort of power will help you cut through a whole range of materials. The rubberized grip is comfortable to hold, and there are 6 different cutting speed settings to choose from. What makes this one of the best cheap jigsaws out there is the oscillating cutting action. Set to 0, the blade cuts up and down in a parallel line. Set it from 1 to 3 and the blade moves in an orbital pattern for a faster, more aggressive cut. It's a feature you might expect to find only on the best jigsaws, but Makita haven't held back. Moving on at number 4, we have the DeWalt 18 volts XR Lithium-Ion Jig Saw. The DeWalt 18 volts XR Lithium-Ion Jig Saw, body only, is another cordless jig saw that works with lithium-ion technology. It also has a variable cutting speed of 0 to 300 SPM. Just like the Makita DJV180Z, the DeWalt jigsaw can cut through wood up to 135 mm thick. It can also breeze through metal up to 10 mm in depth. This high-quality jigsaw uses XR lithium-ion technology for exceptional power and fast recharging. The fan-cooled motor also has replaceable brushes. The 3-position pendulum action controls the smoothest of cuts and helps provide greater cutting precision. It also helps to reduce blade wear. It also features a dust blower which keeps your line from becoming obscured by debris. The ergonomic design and rubber-coated grip make this jigsaw tool comfortable to use. At number 3, we have the Evolution Power Tools Rage 7S Multi-Material 710W Jigsaw. Sheffield-based Evolution Power Tools are famous for their cutting equipment. The Rage 7S is one of their most versatile and best jigsaws that they've produced. Thanks to a powerful 710-watt motor, this is one of the most powerful jigsaws on my list. It certainly feels like a mighty beast. Rated to cut through an impressive 80 mm wood or 8 mm steel, it should make short work of most cutting jobs. You can also set the footplate to bevel to 45 degrees on both sides. It features a soft grip handle, lock-off switch, variable speed selector dial, and 3 oscillating cutting modes. I'm also a big fan of the air blast feature for keeping the cut line free of debris. It's a feature-packed jigsaw for not a lot of money. If you're worried about not staying on your mark, they've even included a laser guide and a pair of AA batteries to power it. All of this helps to make up for the fact that this jigsaw weighs quite a lot more than the competition. At just under 4 kilograms, it's more than twice the heft of the Bosch PST 700E. The 710-watt motor puts out 0 to 300 SPM. It has an adjustable footplate with stops at 45 degrees, 30 degrees, and 15 degrees to both right hand and left hand sides, so you can forgive it for being a little heavy. Evolution Power Tools have even thought to throw in a 5-pack of multi-material blades. They'll help get you started on your next project, and there's even a spare set of brushes for the motor. At number 2, we have the JOR 800W Electric Jigsaw Tool. Solidly built and reliably powerful, this JOR Electric Jigsaw is one of the best budget jigsaws. Thanks to its powerful motor and no-nonsense, chunky construction, it can keep up with the big boys. This jigsaw has all the features you'd expect. The powerful 800-watt motor powers it through a range of materials such as timber and thin sheet metal. Supplied in a handy carry case, you can keep the tool free of dust and safe from most knocks and drops. The powerful motor and 7 speed settings push the blade from 0 to 3,000 SPM. It can cut to a depth of up 80 millimeters in softer materials. It's more than powerful enough to tackle most DIY tasks you might throw at it, and you can adjust the footplate to 45 degrees on both sides for beveled cuts. You can lock off the trigger for longer cuts. There's the 3-stage oscillating action when you need to make more aggressive cuts too. The laser guide will help keep you on track, as will the parallel guide that slots into the footplate. And finally at number 1, we have the Bosch Cordless Jigsaw PST 18Li. Another entry from German toolmasters Bosch is the PST 18Li. It's a lightweight cordless jigsaw that forms part of Bosch's green line of DIY level tools. And I'm fairly sure it's one of the best cordless jigsaws out there. Similar in design to the corded Bosch PST 700E, you get one of Bosch's comfortable, low-vibration grips. It's made from soft-touch rubberized plastic that feels good in the hand. It does seem to keep the vibrations down, especially at higher speeds. Making use of Bosch's patented cut control system, you get a good view of where the blade's going to hit. It helps you to follow the cut line because it sticks out a good couple of centimeters in front of the blade itself. Changing the jigsaw blades couldn't be easier. Bosch's SDS quick change system is as simple as pushing the blade in until it clicks. To remove it, you push up the collet and pull out the blade. There's an LED work light above the blade collet as well. It's not the fastest cutting jigsaw out there, but if you've already bought into Bosch's excellent range of 18 volts power for all tools, it's a solid addition to your collection.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.